Imagine placing a trade. The setup looks perfect. The indicators agree. The chart looks strong. You click buy. And within minutes, you're losing money. Sound familiar? The truth is, most traders don't lose because they picked the wrong direction. They lose because they made a mistake before they ever entered the trade. Today, I'll show you the one decision that quietly destroys beginner accounts and what successful traders do instead. Stay until the end for a simple checklist. Most beginners think trading is about finding the perfect entry, the perfect indicator, the perfect strategy, the perfect signal. But professional traders know something different. The entry is important, but risk management is even more important. Let me show you why. Imagine Trader A and Trader B. Both take exactly the same trades. Trader A risks 10% of their account on every trade. Trader B risks 1%. Now imagine they both have 5 losing trades in a row. Trader A is emotionally shaken and has lost a huge chunk of their account. Trader B is still calm and still in the game. Same strategy, different outcome. The mistake is simple. Most beginners focus on how much they can make. Successful traders focus on how much they can lose. Before entering a trade, ask yourself, what happens if I'm wrong? Most people never ask that question. They only think about profit. The market doesn't reward optimism. The market rewards preparation. This single mindset shift can completely change your trading journey. Here's a simple rule. Risk only 1% of your account on a single trade. Not because it makes you rich, because it keeps you alive. Trading is not about winning one trade. It's about surviving long enough to learn. If you lose 10 trades in a row while risking 1%, you're still in the game. If you risk too much, one bad week can wipe out months of progress. To avoid this, you need a checklist. Before every trade, ask yourself, number 1, where is my stop loss? Number 2, how much am I risking? Number 3, does this trade follow my plan? Number 4, am I entering because of evidence or emotion? If you can't answer all 4 questions, don't enter the trade. The traders who survive aren't usually the smartest. They aren't the luckiest. They're the ones who protect their capital. Remember, a great trader doesn't think, how much can I make? A great trader thinks, how much can I afford to lose? Master that lesson and you'll already be ahead of most beginners. Like the video and subscribe. What's the biggest trading mistake you've made? Let me know in the comments.